इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. I hope you all had a wonderful and joyful Diwali. We too celebrated it beautifully, enjoyed lots of delicious food and sweets, met friends and family, and spent some really good time together. Every year we eagerly wait for the festive season to arrive, but it always passes by so quickly, doesn't it? We decorate and beautify our homes with so much love and effort, and before we know it, it's time to take everything down and get back to our regular routine: work, home chores, and daily hustle. And amidst all this busyness begins another wait for the new year. A time that brings new hopes, new happiness, and the excitement to celebrate these festivals all over again with even more enthusiasm. Anyway, today it was time to reset my home. So I started taking down all the Diwali decorations. During the festive season, I like to keep multiple cushions in the living room to make it look bright and cozy. But for regular days, I prefer keeping just 4. I also switch the cushion covers back to simple cotton ones. And look at this, so many cushion fillers. They can take up a lot of storage space. So I'm going to seal them in vacuum bags to save space. See how perfectly all these cushions fit into just 2 bags. In the same way, I remove the rest of the festive decor, like table runners, candle stands, LED candles, and so on. I first gather everything in one place, clean them properly, and then store them away neatly. Now it's time to bring back my regular simple decor. I keep lots of real plants in my living room and they're all coming back now. This cane multi-planter stand is something I got before Diwali and I absolutely love its natural earthy look. My bushy plants look even prettier in it. And yes, how do you like this new addition to the living room, the wall paneling? All the delicate cushion covers and runners will go for a quick 15 minutes wash cycle. Since they have embroidery and sequin work, it's best not to wash them for too long. Also, always zip up the cushion covers before washing. It helps prevent damage. And make sure to use a mild detergent like Easy or any gentle fabric cleaner. On the wall, I had put up these Jharoka frames and MDF diyas using double tape. These can be easily removed with the help of hot air from a hair dryer. And the best part is, it does not damage the wall paint at all. The hot air melts the glue on the tape, making it super easy to take everything off smoothly. This hack really works like magic. See how clean and perfect the wall looks now. I have gathered all the Diwali decorations here on the dining table. I have segregated everything properly so that it's easier to store them later in their designated boxes. These marigold hangings take up a lot of space because they're quite fluffy. So this time I'm packing them in vacuum bags as well. All these marigold hangings fit perfectly in one bag, and I even managed to fit the second set in the same one. Look at this, they are nicely vacuum sealed now and the size has reduced so much. This will make storing them super easy. These hanging diya lights always add a festive charm to the Diwali decor, and I have been using them for many years. For storage, I tie the big and small diyas separately using rubber band, and I also roll and tie the cable neatly. This way nothing gets tangled and it's much easier to use them again next year. I pack all my urlis together in a cotton cover so that they stay protected from dust and dirt. This Diwali, my new and unique purchase was these two Rangoli mats, and I absolutely love them. When placed on the floor and decorated with marigold hangings and diyas, they look so real that you can hardly tell they are mats and not actual Rangoli. It was definitely worth buying. Now I'm packing up the remaining decorations too. I like to keep similar items together so that it's easier to access them next year. As you know, I have this box where I store all my festive decor. I simply place everything back into their individual boxes. Most of them are already labeled, which makes the process quick and organized. You really don't need any fancy organizers for packing. I simply reuse waste takeaway containers, cardboard boxes, ice cream tubs and plastic boxes. I also keep some bubble wrap handy. It comes in so useful for packing delicate glass items safely. All my Diwali decor is stored in the loft of the kids' room. If you pack and store decorations properly, they last for years and stay in perfect condition. All the Diwali decor has been packed and stored away. For so many days, our dining table couldn't really do its main job, but now it's all cleaned up and ready again. These thekuas, a traditional sweet made during Chhath Puja, were lovingly sent by my mother-in-law, and I'm storing them here in an airtight container. And these healthy ragi laddus, I made them myself. Since my dining chairs are in light color, they tend to get dirty quickly. So during regular days, I keep them protected with covers. It really helps make maintenance a bit easier. Lastly, I store all my pillar candles and candle stands in a separate cabinet since they are useful throughout the year, especially when hosting dinners. Some wax had melted and dripped on these stands, so to clean it off, I simply poured a little hot water and the wax came off easily. Before storing, I always clean and wipe the candle stands properly to remove any wax residue. And yes, one important tip. If you use LED pillar candles, always remove the batteries before storing them. Sometimes the batteries can leak and damage the candles. And that's it for today's video. My home is all reset now and I'm back to my regular routine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. See you all next week. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.